now. This is a threaded rivet. It has thread inside, so after installing it, we're gonna be able to tighten this bolt. So we rivet the hole, we're gonna make it a little bit bigger, and after we're gonna use this tool, and we're gonna clamp the rivet on the door. So we have a first rivet in. Now we're gonna install the one on the bottom. And now we're gonna use this tool. It has different adapters with different threads. This is the one that fits on this specific rivet, so you tighten it inside. After you put this cap, tighten the cap. And now you use this button, spin it around, tighten it inside the rivet. So go inside the rivet, you can open it. And here it has like millimeters, so you can tighten 4 or 5 millimeters. Usually I go 3. And you clamp it, you open it, you tighten again. You clamp it, you open, tighten again. You will feel it when it's all the way in, because you're not gonna be able to clamp it more. Should be a little more. I want to loosen it to check how much it came back. So you do like this until it's completely tight. And if you remove a tool, you can see how much it came toward you. Just look at the distance on the bottom and on the top. Alright. Now we're gonna install this bracket like this. It goes on the top. Here is a washer. There's a bolt. Actually, on the top we can use a longer bolt, but the bottom, it's perfect. It's like from the factory. Now we're just gonna tighten the bolts, and that's it.